Welcome back, Royals. Today we're going to be doing some crafting. I needed to get a couple of custom orders out as well as do a few projects for myself. So I thought I'd turn the camera on and share with you guys what's going on at the House of Royalty. So first up is this Seattle Seahawks team wreath. It is a Christmas gift that a client ordered to get to her son. He is a diehard Seattle Seahawks fan. It was my first to make, but I absolutely love it. And I think it's always fitting to do a sports themed wreath of some kind for the kings or queens in your life that are big sports fanatics. So regardless of the team, you can create a fun and whimsical sports theme wreath of any team. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as I bring the Seattle Seahawks wreath to life.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Right.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will...
Alright guys, as you can see, this piece is coming together quite beautifully, if I do say so myself. I have ordered some Seattle Seahawks ribbon that has not come in yet, along with some custom football picks. So once those come in, I'll add those, but for the most part, this piece is good to go in terms of what I could do to it in the moment. But I wanted to go ahead and get a head start on these orders so I don't get overwhelmed while trying to juggle the wreath orders along with the holiday installs in different homes. So here we are. It is absolutely fun and exciting. I'm so thrilled for the outcome of it. Again, this is my first time doing this color combination, but I think it's a touchdown. I was about to say home run, but I think a touchdown is more fitting. The plate, guys, if you're wondering, is from Amazon. All of the ribbon, with the exception of the football ribbon, is from Hobby Lobby. And then I will again have the custom Seattle Seahawks ribbon I picked up from Amazon. The mesh, the reform is from House to Home. And the custom picks that I'll be adding are also from Amazon. I'm going to add a few more white picks from Hobby Lobby, and I think this baby will be good to go. So now we're going to move on to the next project at hand. Up next, guys, is Oh Jack Frost. I told you guys I'll be creating a backdoor wreath for my deck, and I thought it would be perfect to bring in a piece that I've had for a number of years and give it a whole new life. So we're going to bring in Miss Fancy's Snowman head that I've had for a while, and I thought, how fun would it be to create an actual wreath dedicated to this look and theme. This area is dedicated to my nephews and great nephews and all the men in my life, so this is going to flow in perfectly with that. The materials here pretty much the same. The wreath is from the at-home store. The deco mesh along with the ribbon is from House to Home. The snowman or snow woman head is from Cracker Barrel. The floral picks are from Walmart, and the other embellishment and stems I've put in are from Holiday Warehouse or Decorators Warehouse.
I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, yes I did, 'cause you
time when everybody smiles, eyes are shining bright. I still remember how I used to feel. Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one most magical time of the year. Mistletoe hanging everywhere, waiting to declare that love is here in the air. We can stroll side by side all night. I'll hold your hand so tight and always remember the way that we feel. Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one most magical time of the year. Look at us now, walking around in the snow. We do it in a very Christmas way. Soon there will be sleigh bells and Santa Claus. It's the number one most magical, the number one most magical time of the year. Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you joy? Who has got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of every girl and boy? The whole world knows him well as Saint Nick or Père Noël. And once a year he'll go barreling through the snow. Who makes every Christmas gift? It's Santa. Who comes down the chimney late at night? Who gives every heart a lift? It's
All right, guys, so far Miss Fancy is looking pretty. I am loving the way it is coming together. This will be styled beautifully on my deck. So to see the finished result, you guys got to come back for the Christmas home tour where you'll see her live, and in color in her designated space. So until the next video, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and until you click on again for another holiday upload, have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to click the notification bells. Click them twice so you never miss an upload. All right, bye. See you tomorrow.